guys, welcome back. Today I thought I would show you how I did this crazy curly hair that I posted on my Instagram. As you can see, I've got a little bit of pink in my hair at the minute. I literally just use a red conditioner and rinse it through and leave it for like a minute, and it leaves my hair like a cool kind of, I don't know, dusty pink. I really like it. This is what my hairdresser does when I'm like, I want something different, and she's like, we just got you blonde, let's do something temporary. So because today I fancy a change, I thought I would curl my hair. I have already done my heat protectant. I used the Tresemme one, but I've left it upstairs. And I've also, before I blow dried my hair, used the Wella Body Crafter Flexible Volumizing Spray. My hair's pretty straight. It's got a tiny bit of texture to it, but like not really any. So I need to add products to create the volume that I so desire. And the tool that I use to do my hair like this is the Babyliss curling wand. It's just their chopstick curler. I think it's called a chopstick. So I'm gonna turn it on, and I turn it on to heat number, is it on? It's not turned on. I turn it on to like heat number 9, which is like the second to the highest heat. I'm just gonna let that heat up while I section off my hair. And when I say section off, I'm literally just gonna take my bottom layer out, tiny little sections, and tie up the rest. Like teeny tiny little sections or segments. If I was an orange. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, while my curler is heating up, just want to give you a little disclaimer. I am not a hairstylist. I'm not a hairdresser. I really don't know anything about hair. I have an amazing hairstylist named Claire who sorts me out. All I can do is basically this hairstyle, half up, half down, a sleek bun. I've got like my go-to looks, and that's literally all I can do. Loads of you guys requested it. Let's see how many likes this picture is on. This picture is my 5th most liked picture. You guys seem to really like it, so I thought I would show you with a bit of pink in my hair to make it a little bit more interesting. So what I do is I take sections probably about half the size of this. So we're talking like teeny little thin sections, and I take the curler. I'm probably gonna show you just on the bottom layer, and then I'm gonna speed it up. I go backwards, and I take it all the way to the root and all the way to the tip, because if you have a straight section, that is gonna rat you out. So all the way to the root, all the way to the tip, hold it and release, and you have a crazy screw, and then you go the other way. You don't want them all to cling together. That does not look cool. I feel like you guys have clicked on this expecting like a really good tutorial, and that's not why you come to my channel. You don't come here for hair tutorials. Boom, just like that. Same on the other side. All I'm doing tonight is going to Tim's house and then going to the gym. So I'm gonna look crazy. And again, the reverse. I hold it for like, I don't know, 10 seconds, just like that. I always do my hair like in a little bun at the top of my head, because to be honest, as much volume and texture as you can create without heat, the better. I just put it in like a super messy bun. It adds to the look, honestly. We're going back in, man. Put the little curly ones to the back. I'm gonna put on some Jason Mraz and curl the rest of my hair and enjoy this. thought I would just show you as I get to the front. I literally treat the front like any other piece. Normally when I curl my hair, I'll make the front a little bit looser. Just so it's like nicer to frame my face. But when I do this, I'm like, nah, you can take it. And I just go in. And I normally curl away from my face, but again with this, I'm like, no. Why? Just go crazy. Just like that. Not gonna lie, you guys, this is a long process. Be right back when it's done. And now all I do, once I've curled it and I'm looking crazy, I brush it through with my fingers. No brush, no hairbrush, nothing like that. Just your fingers. Nothing beats a finger comb. Yeah. I'm gonna continue this and come back. I don't put any product in it because honestly this holds, and I quite like how the gradient, like day 1 it's super crazy, then day 2 it's like just really curly, day 3, like this lasted me like 4 days without any product, and I like how it naturally starts to drop, so I like it to feel as light as possible. So no product, just a whole lot of heat, to be honest. Okay, I've changed my mind. I'm gonna put, oh, look at this hair. I'm gonna put a little bit of the IGK Beach Club in. This isn't a hairspray, it's a sea salt spray. And I've just done this because it adds more of like a pieciness. It like keeps it a little bit more gritty, gives it a little bit of hold, but it's not like a hairspray. I just want it to be a little bit more piecey. So here is the finished look. I know that the lighting has changed completely. It takes like a long time for me to do my hair like this, and the sun's completely gone. I was literally chasing the sun at the end of that video. It is so easy. It looks like a completely different head of hair, but it's so easy. And even this color, this will go in like a couple of washes. It's so easy to just change your look. A new woman. So yeah, that's how I do this hair. I'm really sorry if you were expecting something revolutionary. It's just not me. It's really simple, as is everything I do with my hair. 99% of the time it's up in a scrunchie, but this hair looks really cute with a scrunchie, full on 80s. So that's how I do it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have the best day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.